Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to write simple SQL queries using select. So before going to start, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit on all. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. So let's get started. Open the SQL developer and connect to the database. So before going to write select query, we need to have tables. So let us create and insert some data into this table. Don't worry, I'm going to put these queries in the description below. So execute each query at once. You can hit Ctrl plus Enter to execute the query. So I have successfully created dpt table, and just now I have created emp table and I am inserting values into those tables. So if you want to insert data into those tables, first you need to create tables. So before creating, you cannot insert those values into the table. If you want to insert these, first create and then insert. Now we are done with the creation and inserting the data into this table. So now let us see. So yes, we are good to go now. Type select. The select identifies which columns that are need to be selected. So if you want to display the columns, you have to choose this column first. So I'm going to display job, hiredate and salary. So I'm going to type job. So after finishing typing the column, you need to have comma, then hiredate. So again then comma and salary. Then you need to type from. So from chooses from where the data has to be picked. So we are picking the data from emp table. So then type emp and hit semicolon and then hit Ctrl plus Enter. That's it. Here you have got job, hiredate and salary. So now let us, if you want to display all the columns from the emp table, then just type select and you need to select star. So the star indicates that the all columns has to be displayed from emp table. And we also have a table dual that is created by the database while installing. Dual has one column and one row and has a duplicate value x. So let us see the table. You can see there is a dummy value x in the dual table. You can perform arithmetical operations using dual. So you just need to type select and the operation which you want to perform. I want to perform addition operation between 3 and 9. And then from where this data has to be picked. So from dual. So and hit semicolon and hit Control plus Enter. You can see the output has been shown here, that is 12. You can also use dual to return values like sysdate and user. So sysdate returns the current date from the database. So you can see the current date here. So while writing select, you need to choose columns that are displayed in the order. You can see in the emp table, the order of the columns are from emp number, ename, job, mgr, hiredate, salary, commission, and department number. Suppose you are asked to display the all columns using select statement without using star. So you have type select ename, comma, job, comma, mgr, comma, hiredate, comma, salary, comma, commission, comma, department number, comma emp number from emp. In starting, we don't have any problem in displaying the output as always. But in further, if you are going to create reports, you need to choose what are the columns that are need to be displayed according to the output. So you need to be very careful there. Choose the columns that need to be displayed and write the query carefully. You can also perform arithmetical operations on EMP table, but the column has to be number data type. So let us see what are the number data type columns available in the EMP. So you just need to type describe and EMP and hit Ctrl plus enter. You can see EMP number is number data type and S salary and commission department number are all number data types. So I'm gonna multiply 3 with EMP number, comma. I'm gonna increase salary plus 1000 and I'm gonna increase their commission to 100 from EMP table. So hit Ctrl plus enter. You can see the changes here. The EMP number has been multiplied by 3 and salary has been increased by 1000 and commission has been increased by 100. The null values cannot be changed and the arithmetical operations cannot be performed on null values. You can also use live SQL to write the queries. So hit on live SQL and press on start coding now, and then you just need to log in. You just need to execute these commands once at a time. So let us try to execute it. So first you need to create the table and then you need to insert. Please follow this order so that you won't get any error. That's it. So now let us see whether the table has been created and the values has been inserted or not. You can see the EMP table has been created and all the values has been inserted successfully. You can display job, hiredate and salary same as we did before. You can also hit Ctrl plus enter to execute. And let us see about dual. Select star from dual. Hit Ctrl plus enter. Yes. And we can also use the live SQL to do the same what we have done using the SQL developer. And that's it. And I will see you in the next video.